As Jamie and the weather team track the rain that is headed our way, emergency management teams and first responders all over the Ozarks are getting prepared. Ozarks First Michael McLaughlin is live in Greene County, where he spoke with emergency management about how they're preparing for potential flooding.
So I'm outside the Greene County Public Safety Center, where I spoke to the deputy director, who tells me he can't emphasize enough just how dangerous these floods can be.
It's a big risk. We don't think it would be that big of an issue, even the smallest amount of water. Think about driving down the highway, driving down even a city street. If you hit a puddle, you might hydroplane.
That was Deputy Director of Springfield, Greene County Office of Emergency Management, Darren White, explaining the dangers of driving during heavy rainstorms. I also spoke with Emergency Manager for Taney County, Chris Byrne, who says that they are monitoring areas where flooding could be at its most significant levels.
The amount of rain that's coming, the runoff can clearly cause localized flooding, even flash flooding potentially if it's raining in a fast pace, and that can cause issues on low water crossings and any low-lying areas.
Byrne says that they are prepared to respond to the potential heavy storms.
We are also working on to make sure our water rescue teams are ready, and should they be needed, either for us locally or if should they end up need to go on a statewide basis.
We'll have more coverage on the floods starting at 5 a.m. on Daybreak and through our app, or through our website, ozarksfirst.com. Reporting live from Greene County, Michael McLaughlin, Ozarks First.